In this video, I'm going to show you how to select multiple notes in Soundtrap. So first, you want to open up your notes. I'm going to double click on my grand piano over here. There we go. And then you have a few options over here. So when you hover over this for a bit, it's going to say select all notes. So you can just click on that, which is going to select all the notes at once. Or if you just want to select individual notes, you can do that by dragging like that. So as you can see, I have kind of a selection rectangle. I can select all the ones I actually put into my rectangle like that. So very easily it would be to select just all of them like this. For example, I can go like that and I've selected all, or you could just of course select individual ones like this, just the ones that you want. Of course, you could also do like just this and this and this. For example, you can just click on the first one, hold down your shift key on your keyboard, click on the second one, the third one, and of course you could also hold down your shift key and then mark by regions like that, and it's going to select all of those notes. So as you can see, I can now move them, I can copy them, I can duplicate them, do whatever I want. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.